Hello.
Morning, guys.
So, we ended the last clip, or the last video, at luggage collection.
We did, yeah. That was an epic travel day. Turkey's airport down Amman was an experience. But we managed to get through it. There's 3 levels of security, what I've never seen or had to deal with before.
They honestly had me convinced that I had done drugs as well.
Yeah.
Because they swab, the last level of security, they swab all your electronics and stuff. She swabbed my iPad, which was in my bag, and put it through the little machine. And then she came back and she swabbed my iPad and put it through the little machine. And then she came back again and swabbed my iPad and put it in the little machine.
Yeah.
And at this point, I'm watching because, like, I never know what to do with security because sometimes they shower you, sometimes they don't. So I turned around and I was watching her, like, swab test my stuff. And I was staring at the machine like, have I? And then the manager lady came over and said, sorry, our machine isn't working properly. And I was like, good, because you had me convinced, honestly.
It was an experience, yeah. There was 3 levels of security. I've never had that before. And not at the gate, that was completely new. They pulled me out as well, like they always do. They always pull me out. And like Emma said, they swapped all my stuff as well. What's fine, it doesn't matter. It took longer to get through the whole airport process than anywhere else that I ever been to before. But it's okay, it's done.
The flight was fine.
The flight was okay, yeah.
I think I preferred the EasyJet flight on the way out to the Jet2 flight on the way home.
Yeah.
The seats were a little uncomfortable.
It was uncomfortable, yeah. But we had a spare seat.
Yeah, so it swings
was,
around about.
Yeah, that was nice. So yeah, like I said, just catching you up really. And then the last clip you would have saw was just getting our bags. And we didn't film anything on our way home because it was dark and Emma fell asleep.
I slept. To be honest with you, I slept the entire flight apart from 1 hour, so 3 hours of the 4-hour flight, and then I slept the whole way home.
You must feel quite good now.
I still feel so but it was a really long day, wasn't it?
It was a long day. And
it's not proper sleep, is it?
No. So no, that's good. We're going to get Louis in an hour's time. What's fantastic. Excited for that. We just got to do the ball and stuff first.
Oh, but there's one thing you can do that is fun.
Go on.
You can put the pin in the board.
Oh, we can do that. Yes, that's good. We'll do that in a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got to do a food shop, and then I think we're going to get Louis, and then we go into a cafe for breakfast. Because why not? Because we've got nothing in.
Yeah, we've nothing. But we had French just before this.
Yeah. So that's why. And then I think we're just going to take Louis, have a run around at your work and play around up there and have a relaxing after holiday type of day.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it'll be chill.
Hopefully, yeah. But I mean, it was awesome. It was amazing. I loved it. I loved the sun, the turkey. It was really hot. It's everything that we wanted it to be. Really, it was a week chilling out, had a few activities, but yeah, it was really nice.
Right, so let's do real life things.
Let's do it.
We actually have 2 to put in.
We have just realised we haven't done Scotland either.
No.
So we did that first.
Yeah, so
Edinburgh.
Well, a little to the left of Edinburgh.
Right there.
Yeah.
Go on in.
It's tough, this board.
There we go. Nice.
And
we've done France. Last one.
Yeah, we've been to France a million times.
Well, of course. And Turkey. Where's there? I guess we're going there. There's no. It's not names. It's just going.
No, it's fine.
Turkey. Nice.
Woo. Spread out a little bit.
Many more locations that we want to go to.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not full up as I want it to be. There's a really nice one I want to get. The wooden, like a wooden shapes of the walls, and then sort of put it on the wall and you put lights onto it. That's super expensive. So we're doing this at the moment.
Yeah, I like this one.
I like this one. But yeah, really nice and 3D ones.
We're on the way to get in.
We are, a couple minutes, we'll be there. Yes. Hope you had a nice week.
We're half an hour late, so I wonder if he's sat tapping his watch.
No, it's 1:30 to 5:30.
Yeah, but Louis will expect to start at 1:30.
Yeah, you would do. Yeah. No, yeah, that's good. Can't wait to see him. And then we're going to a cafe give that a go.
It looked like it was a brewery calf actually. But...
Yeah, well, we seen it when we dropped them off.
Yeah.
So we thought, well, why not? We pick them up and see what it's like. So yeah, I'm ready for coffee. So yeah.
That cat's helping itself to snacks. Are you supposed to be doing that?
You know what you want.
Hello.
There he is.
Come here. Ah! So excited. Hello, something. Look. There he is. Hello.
Shiny lights and purple sky, everything's so bright. 기다려왔어 지금이야. Turn off your phone and off your mind. Look at you so bright. 멈출 수 없어 지금이야. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Come on up, enjoy your ride. Oh, I'll take.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah,
Great
it's
fun.
cool now.
So it's a brewery as well.
And they've got games all around. What's the garden bit like that? Did
I
you
don't
see?
know if it is. Yeah,
Oh, it might be the kitchen.
Yeah, but they're a nice little bit out front.
Yeah,
They're nice.
yeah. And they do like lunches and stuff too.
They
I
do.
should come here for lunch
We
one day.
absolutely should. Yeah, that'd be really nice. Is it a dinner or just a lunch?
I think just... Oh. Yeah, Toasties, burgers, breakfast.
Yeah, we should do that.
We can have everyone come for breakfast.
Yeah. We love playing new stuff. This is not far from us at all. Only because the fact we changed Louis' kennel.
Rolling around on the floor.
But we have decided to take text from Emma's dad saying he's at a different camp.
Yeah.
So we might have to go to a different
Double camp.
Yeah, double coffee. That's okay. We didn't sleep much yesterday.
Oh, we got a brownie
We have.
and a flapjack.
That looks amazing.
We're
doesn't
going to
it?
half them, aren't
Yeah. What half you getting? Because that's
we?
chocolate.
No, that way around. So you get like half of both.
I think it might be somewhere that we have to come back. It looks amazing. And the beer looks amazing as well. They've got it in the fridge. So yeah, I think we'll come back.
And look how cute Louis
There you
is.
go, really good. What awesome find. I love finding places like this.
Yeah.
I'll finish up and then we'll go to a different cafe.
Yeah.
We'll have a coffee.
Take you to the moon. Just be ready to enjoy your night.
Okay, it's frisbee time and doesn't he know it?
Come on then. Let's damn it.
Oh, baby, it's right now. You don't wanna waste this time. 어디든지 가줄게. Yeah, I'm on a road, can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you to the moon. Can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you to the moon. 춤을 춰봐 left and right. You know you feel so right.
We're just about to pick up a KFC. So my and Emma's tradition for many, many, many years now is the day we get back from holiday is always a takeaway. Emma picked an Indian after France, so it was my pick. So I decided I wanted a KFC. So yeah, we're just going to pick a KFC up and then we're going to take it back and chill out for the evening. We've got loads of YouTube to catch up on. Yeah, so we're going to get a few bit of chicken and chill out for the evening. It might be a while though. Look how busy it is in there. I don't know if you can see that. There's people clearing up. Might be a while. Typical. It'd be worth it though. You having fun, Lily? Just had a bit of chicken. That was very, very nice. God, that's a haze.
And your blanket.
And we chilling out. It's a bit cold in England. It's not as hot as yesterday.
No. What are you up to?
Come on, Key. Well, put heat on.
No, you won't. He's parkouring all over the place.
You get some chicken.
Oh, now he's on guard duty.
Yeah, watching out.
What are you up to, you monster?
We do like a kiss after holidays. After I
Yeah.
go back, it's nice and chilled, isn't it?
Because we haven't got the energy for anything else.
No, you're right. Yeah, it's been a late night. Well, we only had like 4 hours sleep. So, yeah. It's all we good for.
Yeah. We're just watching Steve and Carol, just going through, watching videos.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice.
Hi. So, last night didn't go to plan. We fell asleep. The idea was to watch YouTube for a few hours and catch up. And we both fell asleep. So
now it's Sunday.
now it's Sunday. Yeah. So, yeah, didn't really go to plan. But we had a long day. So it was to be expected. Though.
Yeah. And then, so today I'm going to be doing YouTubey stuff.
Yeah.
We've got a video to schedule, one to edit.
Yeah.
And we have to do that today.
Yes.
Otherwise, it's not getting done.
Absolutely. And we've come this far without missing one, so we don't want to miss it any now. So that was always a plan. So yeah, a busy day today, and then back to work tomorrow.
Yeah. And I just had to answer the door in there. Our next door neighbour, who is absolutely lovely.
Yeah, she's awesome.
She took a parcel as soon as we left to go to Turkey. A parcel arrived.
Yes.
I thought it was just dog treats,
but it's massive.
It's huge. So either Louis has got a huge box. It's from Tryit. I think anyone can sign up for Tryit. By the way,
we've had this before.
Yeah, we occasionally get a box.
Yeah.
I think it does smell a little bit like dog treats.
Okay.
But I thought I would open it on camera anyway.
Okay, let's have a
How do I
look.
get it out of here?
Do you need scissors?
I might just rip it.
Okay. Why not?
There you go, you can be in charge of it. Oh, I smacked you. They send all sorts of stuff.
They do.
A lot of it recently has been dog stuff.
I think you can say if you've got a pet and stuff, and if you obviously have, they send you like dog treats and stuff or cat treats.
I think it is a doggy one. Okay, so we got this is like what you do with it. You like post it to Instagram or whatever.
Nice.
I think there's a few bits in here. Okay, so let's have a look.
Okay.
I want a surprise, so I don't want to look. Oh, it's all pet stuff. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's the gourmet foods. This is goose and turkey.
Oh, here he is.
Ah, hello. You can't see him, but so we've got some goose and turkey dry, complete food.
Okay.
Perfect.
Nice.
We'll try that. Oh, it's not all for Louis. Okay. What a strange mix. And then, so we've got the duck and herring as well.
Nice.
So that's cool. We've got 2 random tins of tuna.
Why not? We like that.
Are these new then? No.
We've had John West tuna before.
Yeah.
What is it? It's been water? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought I'd just do new stuff.
I thought they just do new stuff.
Okay. But yeah, we like tuna. Might be a new tin. Maybe. New packaging.
Yeah.
Why not? Still.
A Corona Zero.
Ooh.
That's the non-alcohol one, isn't it?
Yeah, we keep that for my sister or something.
Oh. These are right up my street.
What's these?
Jelly.
Nice.
They'll go in my lunchbox.
Yes.
A raspberry and a strawberry.
Nice.
I was just thinking about jelly yesterday.
Nice.
Is this... Oh, what is that?
What's that, I think?
Oh, okay. So it's portioned. You can see at the back. And it is pork shoulder, sage and apple stew food for dogs. It's supposed to be good for the joints.
That's great because we take it like wet food like that on holiday with us. So yeah, that'd be great if he likes it.
Yeah. Does it have a date on it?
Well, if it's frozen, probably not.
It's not frozen.
No, we can freeze it. Nice.
Yeah, sorry, I was reading all the rules.
Nice.
And then we've got 2 bubble wrapped.
Okay.
This is a very odd one. Normally they just send like a pedigree box or...
It's a good one. What's that?
Baked beans.
Okay.
In a jar.
In a jar. That's weird. Baked beans from what?
Bold Bean Co. Baked beans. Nothing artificial.
Okay.
Yum.
Give that a go. Okay. Nice.
I can. Oh, this is very exciting. I thought it was just going to be... This is another one of those, I think.
It's quite a good amount
Product
of stuff, really.
2 baked beans. Oh, is there like a challenge? Are we supposed to guess the flavour or something?
Oh, maybe.
Because that says product 1.
Yeah.
And this says product 2.
We should probably read the instructions.
Yeah,
maybe. Yeah, different colours. Completely different colour. Nice.
Let's see what the campaign thing says. Yeah, so you get a booklet. It tells you about the product.
Yeah.
We haven't had one like this in a while.
We'll have a look. Read through it and see what we're supposed to do. But nice. I'll just give you a section, really.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Yeah, so I think
Nice.
we're probably going to we intended to wrap the vlog up last night, but obviously we fell asleep.
Yep.
We're going to wrap it up now.
Absolutely. Like Emma said earlier, we're just doing editing and videos and getting everything all sorted for that. So yeah, it's not been much happening today.
No.
But yeah, it's been an awesome trip. I love Turkey. It's all coming sort of wrap it up nicely now. So yeah, back to work tomorrow. It was amazing. We loved it. Hope you guys like the vlogs coming out.
I hope we do. You really like when you go away with family or like friends or whatever, other people, I guess.
Yeah.
You can go in with the best plan in the world and I'm going to film this and I'm going to film that. But because we like, I don't know, I guess like enjoying ourselves is first and then vlogging is companion to that. So you just kind of do the things and vlog what's happening when you're with other people.
Yeah.
So really it's an exciting to watch it back and see what we actually got.
It is more difficult when you go away with people, if that's family or friends, because obviously spending time with them, if it's just me and Emma, we can take our time more and you know, be slower, but you don't want to be slower all the time when you're with family. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see what we have filmed, if I'm honest. But hopefully we've got enough, hopefully, and hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, so we hope you enjoyed this video too. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.
다른 시선 따윈 don't care. 뭐 기타 잘